CCMA Diagnostic Imaging Quiz questions. Question 1. Maternal deficiency in which vitamin contributes to neural tube defects? Option A, vitamin D. Option B, folic acid. Option C, biotin. Option D, vitamin B1. The correct answer is option B, folic acid. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, plays a critical role in the proper development of the neural tube during early pregnancy. Question 2. For a terminally ill grieving patient, the MA should: Option A, offer community resources. Option B, refer to it. Option C, clarify organ donation. Option D, promise positive outcome. The correct answer is option A, offer community resources. Offer community resources is correct because providing community resources is essential for a terminally ill grieving patient, as it can help connect them with support systems, counseling and services that can ease their. Question 3. While patient is speaking, the MA should: Option A, document in a hug. Option B, maintain eye contact. Option C, cross arms. Option D, lean away. The correct answer is option B, maintain eye contact. Maintain eye contact is correct because maintaining eye contact is essential for effective communication, as it demonstrates attentiveness and builds rapport with the patient. Question 4. A medical assistant is submitting an urgent referral request to an insurance company for authorization. Which of the following describes how long the authorization process will take? Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 3 working days. Option C, immediate approval via phone. Option D, 10 days. The correct answer is option A, 24 hours. Authorization requests typically take 24 hours for urgent referrals. Question 5. Which body area should be used to take a temperature with a temporal artery thermometer? Option A, tympanic membrane. Option B, armpit. Option C, rectum. Option D, forehead. The correct answer is option D, forehead. The temporal artery thermometer is designed to measure temperature at the forehead, where it can detect infrared heat emitted from the temporal artery. Question 6. Agreeing to train for a new task demonstrates which attribute? Option A, teamwork. Option B, code ethics. Option C, morale. Option D, procrastination. The correct answer is option A, teamwork. Teamwork is exemplified when individuals commit to collaborative training efforts, showcasing their willingness to support one another in achieving shared goals. Question 7. Highest priority specimen designation is: Option A, express. Option B, ASA. Option C, stat. Option D, urgent. The correct answer is option C, stat. In medical and laboratory settings, stat indicates that a specimen or action is required immediately, reflecting the utmost urgency in patient care or testing. Question 8. Subcutaneous abdominal injection should be: Option A, ½ inch from umbilicus. Option B, 1 inch. Option C, 1.5 inches. Option D, 2 inches. The correct answer is option D, 2 inches. 2 inches is correct because for subcutaneous injections in the abdomen, it is recommended to administer the injection at least 2 inches away from the umbilicus to avoid complications and ensure proper. Question 9. In which of the following sources are the side effects of bupropion listed? Option A, ICD-10 CM coding manual. Option B, United States Pharmacopoeia. Option C, physician's desk reference. Option D, electronic health record. The correct answer is option C, physician's desk reference. Side effects of bupropion are listed in the physician's desk reference. Question 10. The schedule shows NS for several yesterday appointments. What does NS mean? Option A, new surgical. Option B, normal scheduling. Option C means supervision. Option D, no-show. The correct answer is option D, no-show. No-show is correct. The abbreviation NS in the context of appointments typically indicates that a patient did not show up for their scheduled visit. Question 11. During capillary puncture, Option A, wipe first 5 drops. Option B, apply even pressure. Option C, puncture index fingertip. Option D, puncture parallel to fingerprint. The correct answer is option A, wipe first 5 drops. Wipe first 5 drops is correct. In capillary puncture procedures, it is standard practice to wipe away the first few drops of blood to eliminate contamination from tissue fluid. Question 12. Which term describes a care coordinator? Option A, patient advocate. Option B, compliance officer. Option C, clinical organizer. Option D, systems manager. The correct answer is option A, patient advocate. A care coordinator primarily acts as a patient advocate, ensuring that patients receive the necessary resources, support, and information to navigate their healthcare journey. Question 13. To confirm identity after insurance card asked for. Option A, photo ID. Option B, marriage certificate. Option C, SS card. Option D, debit card. The correct answer is option A, photo ID. A photo ID provides a government-issued identification that can verify a person's identity, ensuring that the name and photo match the information on the insurance card. Question 14. Which of the following actions should the medical assistant take during the registration process? Option A, give the patient a map of the office location. Option B, make a copy of the patient's social security card for their record. Option C, take a photo of the patient and upload it to their record. Option D, schedule a follow-up appointment for the patient. The correct answer is option C, take a photo of the patient and upload it to their record. Take a photo of the patient and upload it to their record. Question 15. During a first virtual visit, the patient cannot hear the provider. What should the MA advise? Option A, check your speakers. Option B, check your microphone. Option C, check your Wi-Fi. Option D, check your camera. The correct answer is option A, check your speakers. Check your speakers is correct. The medical assistant should advise the patient to check their speakers to resolve the issue of not being able to hear the provider during a virtual visit. Question 16. Sutures on the face are usually removed in option A, 1 day, option B, 4 days, option C, 7 days, option D, 30 days. The correct answer is option B, 4 days. 4 days is correct. Typically, facial sutures are removed around 4 to 7 days after the procedure to promote optimal healing while minimizing scarring. Question 17. Average adult blood volume is option A, 12 liters, option B, 10 liters, option C, 5 liters, option D, 2 liters. The correct answer is option C, 5 liters. The average adult has approximately 5 liters of blood, which accounts for about 7 to 8% of total body weight. Question 18. Documenting alcohol use falls under option A, review of systems, option B, social history, option C, family history, option D, personal data. The correct answer is option B, social history. Social history is a critical component of a patient's medical history that encompasses lifestyle factors including alcohol use, which can significantly influence health outcomes. Question 19. A medical assistant has performed an EKG on a patient with a regular heart rate of 180 per minute. The assistant should identify that the patient might be experiencing which of the following arrhythmias? Option A, atrial flutter. Option B, tachycardia. Option C, bradycardia. Option D, ventricular fibrillation. The correct answer is option B, tachycardia. Tachycardia is the arrhythmia the patient might be experiencing. Question 20. Recognizing similarities and differences among patients describes option A, culture, option B, diversity, option C, nationality, option D, ethnicity. The correct answer is option B, diversity. Diversity encompasses the range of differences and similarities among individuals, including their backgrounds, experiences, and identities. Question 21. Which organelle is the cell's power plant? Option A, nucleus, option B, mitochondrial, option C, lysosomes, option D, cytoplasm. The correct answer is option B, mitochondrial. The mitochondrial is often referred to as the cell's power plant because it is responsible for producing adenosine triphosphate. Question 22. At check-in collect, option A, next of kin, option B, CMI's 1500, option C, preset letter, option D, insurance card plus photo ID. The correct answer is option D. Insurance card plus photo ID. Insurance card plus photo ID is correct because collecting the insurance card along with a photo ID is essential for verifying a patient's identity and insurance coverage, ensuring accurate billing and compliance with. Question 23. Influenza is which type of disease? Option A communicable, option B hereditary, option C degenerative, option D autoimmune. The correct answer is option A communicable. Communicable is correct because influenza, commonly known as the flu, is caused by viruses that can easily spread from person to person, making it a highly contagious illness. Question 24. Which of the following is a model that allows all departments to connect and enable a patient's medical care across the health system? Option A accountable care organizations, option B centers for disease control and prevention, option C resource-based relative value scale, option D patient-centered medical home. The correct answer is option D, patient-centered medical home. Patient-centered medical home is a model that allows all departments to connect and enable a patient's medical care across the health system. Question 25. Before selecting a vein for venipuncture, the MA should: option A don surgical gloves, option B label the specimen tube, option C insert needle 5 to 10 degrees, option D position tourniquet 3 to 4 inches above site. The correct answer is option D, position tourniquet 3 to 4 inches above site. Position tourniquet 3 to 4 inches above site is correct. The proper placement of a tourniquet is crucial to ensuring that the veins are prominent and easier to access for venipuncture.